Guangdong Sepi Architecture Technology Co., Limited is located in Gaoming District, Foshan City, with a site area exceeding 40,000 square meters. We are a professional supplier manufacturer specializing in the R&D, design, production, and sales of high-end luxury hotel tents and marquees. Since establishment, we have adhered to the business philosophy of quality first and customer priority, and committed to providing customers with the finest tent solutions. Our aluminum tent structure made of high-strength oxidized aluminum alloy is durable, sturdy, and rust-resistant. The tent's cover made of double-sided PVC coated with fabric with excellent waterproof, flame retardant, and UV-resistant properties. The connecting parts and steel components of the base are treated with hot galvanization, which makes them less prone to rust. The service life can reach 15 to 30 years. With over a decade of development, Sepi Tent has successively obtained international quality certifications such as ISO 9001, CE, and SGS. Multiple products have received national patent certifications, and we have successfully earned the title of National High-Tech Enterprise. Our products have served clients across numerous countries and regions, both domestically and internationally, earning widespread market recognition. Our superior quality and efficient responsiveness. We have become a trusted long-term partner for many clients worldwide. Service cases include the Hukula Hotel in Maldives, the Malawi Museum in Africa, the tennis court in Thailand, Tian Ren Shanshui Zhenyi Hotel in China, and Sanshui Judo Valley in Foshan. Whether for large-scale marquees or hotel camps, Sepi Tents can be customized according to the actual conditions of the site, providing a one-stop solution safeguarding your project. In 2025, we will continue to innovate, pursue excellence, and strive to provide customers with high-quality and efficient tent solutions.